Hey there! In this video tutorial, we're going to cover how to send your Potion videos in Gmail. First, we need to find the video that we're looking to send and click on it. Next, because we're sending this personalized video that we've created, we want to ensure that we grab the individual link rather than the template. So on the right side, you're going to find your prospect in your list, either by scrolling through or searching their name in the search bar. And once you've found the correct person, you're going to click the three dots to the right, and you're going to copy generated video, GIF, and link, so the second one down. Now that that's copied to your clipboard, you're going to head on over to your Gmail inbox where you've got your email ready to go, and you're going to paste it in. Now you'll see that we've pasted that preview, but you can see that it is the one that is specifically for Darth rather than the general one, as you can see both from the banner along the bottom and the subtitles. For more video tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.